Miss Holly plus fun equals Miss Holly's Speech Room. Welcome to Miss Holly's Speech Room. I'm so glad you came to hang out with me today. Today, we're out in the fresh air and the sunshine. Parents, if you haven't done so already, be sure and download the free PDF in the description box below. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button. Subscription is free and it will help you locate this channel in the future. Well, let's go. Today, we'll be working on making the S in sounds, words, phrases, and sentences. At each level, you need to listen carefully to make the S sound match my S sound. If you can match my S sound 7 times, you can move up a level. If it's hard for you to make 7 matches, that's okay. It just means you need a little more practice. Go back and practice the level again. Okay, let's get started with the sound level. Make your tongue flat and press it up against the roof of your mouth like this. Let a small amount of air slip out the tip of your tongue. Try moving your tongue just a little bit to see if you can make it match the sound my tongue can make. Now let's start with our sounds. Be sure each time that you make a sound, you decide if yours matched mine. If it does match, put a check on your paper. Say. E. Did your sounds match mine? Put a check on your paper. I. O. Ooh. Ah. Eh. Eh. Ah. Did you match 7 or more of my S sounds? If you did, then it's time to move up to the word level. Here we go. Sailboat. Salt. Sandwich. Sandcastle. 7. Sink. Soap. Soup. Socks. Sunglasses. Great job! Did you get 7 or more sounds correct? If you did, then let's move up to level 3, the phrase level. A blue sailboat. Pepper and salt. A new sandcastle. Peanut butter sandwich. Number 7. White sink. Pink soap. Chicken soup. White socks. Pink sunglasses. Wow, was that easy for you? Did you get 7 or more matches? If you didn't get 7 matches, that's okay. Just go back and do some more practice at this level. Then let's move up to the sentence level. Here we go. The sailboat is in the water. Pass the salt. I built a sandcastle. I ate a sandwich. My lucky number is 7. Put dishes in the sink. Wash your hands with soap. I feel better when I eat soup. I put on my socks and shoes. I wear my sunglasses. Wow, that was so much fun! Be sure and check back next week for another speech and language video. Until then, stay healthy and stay safe. Bye-bye.